Today's topic is divisibility rules. Chapter 3, divisibility rules. Before that, one should know what is divisibility. A number is said to be divisible when the dividend is divided by divisor and the quotient, whatever it is coming, it's a whole number with no remainder. In short, when there is no remainder, then a number is said to be divisible, exactly divisible by the divisor. Now, there are some certain divisibility rules. Without undergoing the actual division, just by examining the digits, one can know whether the given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. How? I am telling you. Starting with 2, with number 2. Whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not, we can find out by looking at the digit given at the end, that is ones digit. If the ones digit is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, then that large number, that given number will be divisible by 2. For example, it is given, it is perfectly handy for the large number. For example, here I have taken the example 59,872. Please have a look on the ones digit. What is the ones digit? 2. So if the ones digit is an even number, that means it will be divisible by 2. Divisible means if we are going to divide 59,872 by 2, there will be no remainder. Coming to the next, divisibility by 3. For finding the divisibility for 3, what you have to do? You have to find the sum of all the digits. Taking the same example, what you have to do? 5 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18, 19, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31. 31 is not coming in the table of 3. Correct? That means 59,872 will also not come in the table of 3. Next digit is 4. For checking the divisibility of 4, what you have to do? You have to examine the last 2 digits. Please have a look. 72. You have to examine the last 2 digits. What you can do, you can divide the last, instead of dividing the entire number, you have to divide only the last 2 numbers by 4. Please go ahead. 4 ones are 4. After subtracting 3, 32. 8s are 32. If 72 is divisible, that means the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. That means the entire number will also be divisible by 4. Next number is 5. Very easy. Just have a look on the last digit. If the last number is 0 or 5, then it will be divisible by 5. Here in the given example 59,872, the last digit, that means a digit which is placed in one place, that is 2. It is not 5 or 0. That means it will not be divisible by 5. Coming to the next, 6. 6, if we will find the factors of the 6, you will get 2 and 3. So, if the given number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then only it will be divisible by 6. Same example, it was divisible by 2, that means okay. For 2 it is yes. But it was not divisible by 3, that means no for 3. If it is divisible by 2 but not by 3, that means it will not be divisible by 6. If both the condition yes is there, then only yes will come for 6 also. Next, our next digit is 8. For checking the divisibility by 8, instead of like in 4 we have concentrated on the last 2 digits, but for checking the divisibility of 8, you have to concentrate on last 3 digits. What? Last 3 digits. So instead of dividing the entire number, what you will do? You will divide on the last 3 numbers by 8. Like 872 by 8. 8 ones are 8, absolutely correct. I have copied the 7, but 7 cannot come in the table of 8. So in that case, in one stage you have to copy down the 2 digits together. So what you have to do? You have to put 0 first as a rule. Now in the table of 72, 8 comes, yes, which are 9s are. That means it is divisible by 8 with no remainder. That means 59,872 will also be divisible by 8. Correct. Coming to the 9. In 3 we were finding the sum. Correct. So in the same way in 9 also you have to find the sum. What was the sum coming? Again we can do 5 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 2. 9 and 9, 18. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. It's 31. So 31 is not coming in the table of 9. So that means 59,872 will not be divisible by 9. For checking the divisibility of 10, again you have to attack on the last digit. If the last digit is 0, that means it will be divisible by 10. Otherwise, no. Like here it is 2, that means it will not be divisible by 10. And last divisibility is the divisibility by 11. Very important, something new for class 6th. Now what you have